Welcome to my CSE tutorial. In this video, we'll solve exercise 5B, chapter number 1, review of Python. This question is similar to exercise 5A. Rewrite the following for loop into while loop. For a in range of 90, 9, minus 9, print a. Here we have to note the three parameters that we pass in the for loop. An important thing to be noticed is the initial value and the last value are in the decreasing order, and hence the value of a will also be decremented in each iteration, and in this case it is with minus 9. Now let's convert the for loop into while loop. So the first value of a to be printed is 90, therefore we initialize a equal to 90 while a, in this case since it is in the decreasing order, we have a greater than 9 and the body of the statement is to print a, and in each case the value of a is decremented by 9. Let's see the output. So we have the values displayed from 90 to 80. Let's check if our answer is right by printing the values given in the question using for loop. Let's see the answer. So we see that the same set of values is displayed. So we confirm that both the while loop and the for loop are same. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on my CSE tutorial.